Wait, whoa. Is my den locked? I don't want, oh god, I don't want anyone to interrupt my video, so I gotta lock it. Anyways, hey guys, it's, Zainab, OLA12, back with a new video. And today I'm just gonna tell you why, why is my voice so loud now? What's going on? Are you yelling in the speaker? Well, no, I got a new mic. Yes, and I didn't force my dad to get it. I'm not spoiled. Actually, my brother, these used to be his headphones. They're broken. Well, not broken. He just doesn't like them. So he forced my dad to buy him new headphones, and then he gave me his old headphones. So I'm using his old headphones right now, and I got a new laptop. So I ain't spoiled. Okay? Okay. Now anyways, awkward silence. Let me just see what's in the stores today. Wow, nothing new. How dare. Wait a minute. No school's tomorrow. Wow. I'm so happy. There's no school tomorrow. Yes, Daniel. That meme's old now. I don't know why, but memes are getting old. R.I.P. the memes. R.I.P. the memes. Let me say it. Okay. Let's just bug some of my buddies. You got. Oh my god, no. Looks like exactly not you. How about you? How about you? Oh, okay, how dare. Let's just do plush wolf. Ha ha ha. I'm eating pancakes. Sorry about the background noise, but I'm eating pancakes. Hello, friend. Hello, fam. I mean... Hello, fam! XD. Well, this is awkward. I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave. Well, I don't know how that was funny, but sure, just left at that. Just left. I don't care, just laugh at me. Wait, did I just... Yep, I apparently deleted it. I got an auto from Shocking, and I got an auto from Rockabilly Kitty. She was on, and I was recording, but I restarted the recording because she ruined it. Sorry about the background noise. Again, my mom is doing the dishes. Yeah. Mama! Stop! Yeah. Well, anyways. Please. Just please. Like, comment. Wait. No. Like, comment, and stop. Like, comment, and stop. Means like, okay, bye.